Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying your PC and clearing a safe play area. Once done, unbox everything and connect the link box to your PC using HDMI and USB. Plug power into the link box and headset. Make sure controllers have batteries or are charged, and set the base stations on power so they boot. You do this first because a stable connection and safe space prevent tracking issues and hardware swaps later. So don't skip these initial wired steps. Now you mount the base stations diagonally across the play area, about 1.8 to 2.5 meters high and angled downward roughly 30 to 45 degrees. This gives full tracking coverage. Next, launch Steam and install Steam VR, then allow device permissions and firmware updates so components speak the same language. Connect the headset firmly to the link box and check for green status lights. Doing these middle steps carefully ensures accurate tracking. Finish by running Steam VR Room Setup. Pick room scale or standing, trace your play boundary, and confirm floor level so your virtual space matches reality. Pair and test controllers and headset, checking tracking, input buttons, audio, and microphone. Adjust headset straps and IPD for clear visuals. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot Steam VR and PowerCycle base stations, then recheck alignment and controller batteries. This often fixes common tracking or pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.